Let us know how to restart your computer using the keyboard. Welcome to my channel, Tech with Anjali. Need to restart your computer quickly. Here's how to do it using just your keyboard, fast and easy. For Windows users, simply press ctrl+alt+del. Once the options menu appears, use the arrow keys to highlight Press Enter, and your computer will restart in no time. Easy, right? Now you're all set to restart without lifting a finger. For Mac users, press Ctrl+Command+Eject or Ctrl+Command+Power. Choose Restart and you're good to go. That's it. Quick restart with just your keyboard. Like and subscribe for more tech tips. Stay connected and don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends who love trending updates and the latest status videos.